Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Ontology. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can spot here on the monthly is right here at this obvious swing high from the candle body closes, and price came up, hit, and reversed drastically. Now we also notice over here price reacting to the same key level. So multiple reactions to the same key level. Now we can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low, which you can see in most recent times came down, hit, and has reversed from this point. We also notice reactions around the same key level. So we can go ahead and plot in a zone like this. So we see that long wick come down, hit here. We see holding support here, and we see holding support here. Now, we also notice a key level right here. So let's go ahead and plot this on the monthly. Now, another key level right here. Now, what do we notice about these two key levels? We see a reaction acting as support and resistance, resistance, resistance. Multiple reactions obvious to see here on the monthly chart. Now here we see multiple reactions acting as support, and we see this wick here reacting to the level as resistance. And as price broke through, we see this wick here reacting to the level as resistance. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. Now here on the weekly we can see more clearly how price reacted to these key levels. Now let's go ahead and plot our weekly swing high here. And any other levels we see. We can go ahead and plot a key level right here on the weekly. We see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Resistance, and we see a fake out of support right here. Let's go ahead and plot a key level right here. Now what do we notice? We see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. We see resistance and support. We see support and resistance. Looking at more recent price action, we can go ahead and see this key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as resistance. So, zooming out on our chart, we can go ahead and say these are all the key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.